Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can install Google Gemini AI apps on your Android mobile. Here you can see I have already installed it on my mobile and it is very lightweight, simple user interface and run very smoothly on my mobile. So to download these apps you can search for it on Google Play Store, but you won't find it there because it hasn't been globally released yet. So to download and install this app, go to your mobile browser and search for Gemini AI App. You will see many websites here that have Google Gemini AI APK on their website. So go to any of this website and download, then install it. So guys, that's how you can use Google Gemini AI apps on your mobile. Thanks for watching.